Do you struggle with knee or joint pain? For many, this discomfort can be a daily challenge, affecting not just physical health, but also emotional well-being. The pain can make even the simplest tasks feel daunting and overwhelming, impacting your quality of life. Are simple movements like walking or bending becoming more challenging? You're not alone. Millions of people around the world face similar issues, and it can be incredibly frustrating. The good news is that there are ways to manage and even alleviate this pain, allowing you to reclaim your life and enjoy activities you love. Today we'll explore effective and natural ways to relieve pain and regain your mobility. From gentle exercises to dietary changes, there are numerous strategies that can help. We'll also look at some common misconceptions about joint pain and how to address them. Let's get started on this journey to a more active and pain-free life filled with joy and freedom where you can move with ease. We'll cover a range of topics, including the importance of staying active, the benefits of certain foods, and the role of mental health in managing pain. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit of strategies to help you live a more comfortable and fulfilling life. So stay tuned and let's dive into the world of natural pain relief where hope and healing await and a brighter future is possible. As we age, our joints naturally experience wear and tear. Conditions like osteoarthritis, cartilage damage, and even improper nutrition can make these pains worse. But don't worry, there are solutions. Let's begin with some easy tips that can make a big difference in your daily life. These simple home remedies are designed to help you feel better and improve your overall well-being. By incorporating these practices into your routine, you can experience noticeable improvements in your health and comfort. These remedies are not only easy to follow, but also highly effective in promoting a healthier lifestyle. One effective method to alleviate discomfort is to apply a warm compress or take a warm bath. The heat helps to relax stiff joints and muscles, providing relief from pain and improving circulation. This can be particularly beneficial for those suffering from arthritis or chronic pain conditions. Make sure the water is comfortably warm, not too hot, to avoid burns or irritation. Additionally, you can add Epsom salts to your bath, which can further help in reducing muscle soreness and inflammation. Epsom salts contain magnesium, which is absorbed through the skin and aids in muscle relaxation. Incorporating gentle exercises into your routine can significantly enhance your mobility and flexibility. Activities such as chair yoga or water aerobics are excellent choices. Chair yoga allows you to perform stretches and poses while seated, reducing the risk of injury. Water aerobics, on the other hand, provides a low-impact workout that is easy on the joints while still offering resistance to build strength. These exercises not only help in maintaining physical health, but also boost mental well-being by reducing stress and anxiety. Regular physical activity can also improve your sleep quality and overall energy levels. Engaging in these activities with friends or in a group can also provide social benefits, fostering a sense of community and support. Diet plays a crucial role in managing inflammation and promoting overall health. Including anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, ginger, and omega-3 rich fish in your meals can make a significant difference. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound, while ginger is known for its ability to reduce muscle pain and soreness. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish like salmon and mackerel help to reduce inflammation and support heart health. Try adding these ingredients to your daily diet to reap their numerous health benefits. Additionally, incorporating a variety of fruits and vegetables can provide essential vitamins and minerals that support your immune system and overall vitality. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water is also essential for maintaining good health and aiding digestion. Did you know that low-impact exercises can significantly strengthen your joints? Maintaining joint health is crucial, especially as we age. Our joints bear the brunt of our daily activities, and over time they can wear down, leading to discomfort and reduced mobility. However, incorporating specific exercises into your routine can help keep your joints strong and flexible. These exercises not only improve joint health but also enhance overall physical well-being, making daily tasks easier and more comfortable. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to these exercises, you can experience long-term benefits that contribute to a more active and fulfilling lifestyle. Here are a few exercises you can try. Leg raises while seated. This exercise is excellent for strengthening the muscles around your knees and hips. To perform seated leg raises, sit comfortably in a chair with your back straight. Slowly lift one leg, keeping it straight, and hold for a few seconds before lowering it back down. Repeat this several times for each leg. This simple movement can significantly improve your joint stability and strength over time. Additionally, it can help in enhancing your balance and coordination, which are essential for preventing falls and injuries. Consistency in performing this exercise can lead to noticeable improvements in your daily mobility. Walking in a pool for resistance with less strain. Water provides natural resistance, which helps to strengthen your muscles without putting too much pressure on your joints. This makes it an ideal exercise for those with arthritis or joint pain. Simply walking or doing gentle aerobics in the water can enhance your joint health and overall fitness. Plus, the buoyancy of the water supports your body, reducing the risk of injury. The soothing effect of water can also help in reducing stress and promoting relaxation, making it a holistic exercise option. Engaging in water exercises regularly can also improve cardiovascular health and endurance. Stretching exercises to improve flexibility. Flexibility is key to maintaining joint health, as it allows for a greater range of motion and reduces the risk of injury. Incorporate gentle stretching exercises into your daily routine, focusing on all major muscle groups. Hold each stretch for about 20-30 seconds and avoid bouncing or forcing the stretch. Regular stretching can help keep your joints limber and reduce stiffness. Moreover, stretching can improve blood circulation and reduce muscle tension, contributing to overall physical comfort and well-being. Making stretching a habit can also enhance your posture and alleviate chronic pain. Always consult your doctor before starting a new exercise routine. It's important to ensure that the exercises you choose are safe and appropriate for your individual health needs. Your doctor can provide personalized recommendations and help you develop a plan that supports your joint health goals. Remember, consistency is key, and with the right approach, you can maintain healthy, strong joints for years to come. Regular checkups and open communication with your healthcare provider can further ensure that your exercise regimen remains effective and safe. By working closely with your doctor, you can tailor your activities to suit your specific needs and limitations. Before we continue, an important warning: consuming wild mushrooms can introduce toxins to your body, potentially worsening joint pain or causing other serious health issues. Always stick to safe, store-bought varieties. If your pain persists, worsens, or is accompanied by swelling or redness, it's time to see a doctor. Early intervention can prevent further damage and improve your quality of life. What methods have you tried to ease joint pain? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your tips might inspire others. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay active and pain-free.